Hi, my name is Samiran Rao, and this is our project demo for mobile computing. Our application is a TeamSelect application which helps in forming groups for class projects. So the first task is to sign up. So the user can enter his information here. If he enters information that already exists, then it will give an error saying that that particular user already exists. So currently I have entered all the information, and suppose there is already there's also the location information. If you select the location, then it opens up a map fragment, and you can either enter the location that you want to select as your home, or you could select the current location where you are at. So once you do this, it tells you the location that you selected, and this gets updated. And if you sign up with a name that already exists here, for example, if I sign up with a name that I've already signed up with before, then it tells you that the username already exists. So let me sign up with a different username. Yes, and it says sign up successful. Now if I sign in, as one user, it checks the password, and if the password is not correct, then it gives me a toast saying that I have to give the correct password. So yeah, once we log in, it gives the profile information in this place, and I can edit the profile information by going in here. I can just fill in the spaces that I want to change. For example, if I want to add something to the skill set, and I can just change that and press confirm changes. If I'm changing the password, I have to enter both confirm password and the password. And in this case, if I confirm change, then you can see that sleeping has been added to the skill set. Now if the user clicks on search new partner, you can see all the people here who exist, but he cannot see people who are already in his team, or people to whom he has already sent the request. This can be filtered based on areas of interest. For example, here I filter based on areas of interest. You can see that there is only one user. You can see here that Suresh's area of interest is Java and C, so let me just filter based on C. It's mobile and data, so I'll just filter based on mobile and data, and we're going to get Suresh, and I can send a request here. The request has been sent, and if I update it here, you can see that request has been sent. He can either accept it, reject it, or make it tentative. So suppose he accepts it, you can see that both their teams have been updated. Suresh and Abby are in the same team, and here also Suresh and Abby are in the same team. Now suppose I sign in from a different username. Okay, if I sign in with using another user, you can see that this user and Samir are teammates. So suppose this user sends a request to Suresh. So let me just search, and if he sends a request to Suresh, then Suresh has a request from Mohilan, and if he accepts it, you can see that all of them are in the same team right now. Now there's also something called a tentative request. So suppose suppose Mohilan sends Ram a request, and say I log in as Ram, and I tentatively accept the request. Then in a period of 2 days, the request will be rejected automatically. So he has to make a decision within 2 days, but for the purpose of this project, we have just kept it as 30 seconds. So if this request is not accepted within 30 seconds, then you can see that it will vanish from here. Now he has to either press accept or reject within 2 days, but in this case 30 seconds. So if we go back here and so if we go back to the team, you can see that now it has been rejected. So the request has been automatically rejected.
Hi, this is Suresh. Continuing from where Samir and Muhilan had left off, we now proceed to see how meeting requests work. So here on my left, I have this user Suresh, and on the right, I have the user Samiran. Here, I also have the list of users who are waiting to be invited, and here I have the list of users who are waiting to be invited. Now, from Suresh, I'm going to send a meeting request to Samiran, and let's see what happens. Now over here, Samiran will get a notification stating that Suresh wants to meet with Samiran and that he has shared his location. Immediately, as you can see, you get a notification here like a friend request from Sam, and that immediately after clicking it, he is taken to a Google Maps application where the source and the destination fields are populated and the location of Sam and Samiran are shown. Similarly, when we go back to our application and say that he wants to meet with Suresh, a meeting request will be sent to Suresh, and he will get a notification saying that Samiran wants to meet up with him. All of this polling takes about 30 seconds to work. So that's why after 30 seconds you should be able to see a notification here stating that Samiran wants to meet with Suresh. So let us, as you can see, the notification has arrived, friend request from Sam, and when we click on it, it takes us back to the Google Maps application. One of the applications of this is that it is very easy for people to interact with each other and find out each other's locations so that they can share their location information, collaborate better, and they can finally become project partners. That is one of the main goals of our project.
Hi, this is Samiran Rao. This is the continuation of our demo for our mobile computing project. We've added a few extra tasks, and this is the demonstration of those tasks. So let me just sign in as Govind here and Bhajan here. As you can see, if you go into their my team, you can see that both of them are teammates, and right now we've added this feature of meet team meetings. So say say Bhajan wants the team to meet, he can press meet here and a request will be sent to Govind. You can see that a notification will appear on Govind's screen. So it says meeting request from Bhajan. Once he clicks on that, maps will open up and show the direction from Govind's current location to Bhajan's current location. Now once that happens, Bhajan will get a notification saying that Govind has accepted your meeting request. So now that the meeting request has been accepted, this suggest button pops up here, which is a part of the MCS task. So based on Bhajan's and Govind's location, it's going to suggest nearby meeting places that are very popular. So once I press suggest here, another maps activity is going to open up and show me locations that are nearby to Bhajan's and Govind's location. So as you can see here, it shows me all the nearby locations based on Bhajan's and Govind's current location.